What's up, YouTube? It's Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one here is called Blackbeard. This is this is the one with the free eye patch. But again, this is just the sample kit, so I won't be getting that free eye patch, unfortunately. Anyways, let's go ahead and light this one off, and at the end of the video, you guys can tell me what you thought about this one. All right? Very nice. Like always, comment, rate, like, subscribe, all that good shit you guys have to do. Stay tuned for more demos on the way. I have to say, that was a really sweet one. Let me know what you guys think. Goonies out.